The little subheading under estimating is estimating, I guess it'd be easier if we just said math problems with rounding. It probably would be easier for me to explain if I give you an example rather than try to talk you through it without that. Here is the example. Estimate the product of 29 and 19. I suppose before we start, you probably need to know or make sure you're very sure what the word product means. What does product mean? Ethan?
The product is an answer to a multiplication.
Exactly. What's the answer to a, if they wanted you to do addition, it would be what? Sum. If they wanted you to do subtraction, it would be the
difference.
If they wanted you to do division, it is the quotient. Okay. What is going on here there? If you're asked to estimate, okay, basically they're saying you want to get as close as you can to the actual answer with really doing as little work as possible, I guess. And here is where people go wrong. Write this down in a big star thing. When they ask you to do this, you want to do what the book calls round to compatible. I'm going to look up whether that's an IB or AB or LE here. IBLE, compatible numbers to make the math easy. Okay. Round to compatible. Compatible just means close numbers. Compatible means numbers that you'll find easy to work with. Let me tell you what it doesn't mean. This is where people go wrong with this. I see a lot of times people multiply 29 times 19, do all that hard work, and then they round their answer. That's not what they're asking you to do. They're asking you to make this number and this number really easy numbers to multiply together. Okay? And not way out there. I mean, you could say, well, let's make them both zeros. And then I know you need to come up. You need to look at 29 and say, 29 is pretty close to 30. And 19 is very close to 20. And those are two numbers that should be relatively easy for you to multiply by. However you multiply, if you hang out that digit over there. You know, your answer is 600. Okay, again, please don't do that. If they tell you to estimate, don't multiply 29 times 19 and do all that hard math and then round your answer to something close. You want to round first to make the math easy, and then your life is so much better. Let's look at another example of that. How about this? Estimate the sum. There's an addition. Estimate the sum of, what should we do? How about $6.95 and $7.23 and $11.42 and $6.89. And the nice thing about this fifth grade is, you know, you could kind of make a case, as long as your estimate's close, there's there's a lot of different answers you can give, but really there's some smart ways to do this. $6.95, you would probably round to, Kevin. What would I change that to?
$7.
$7, that's pretty easy to work with. How about $7.23? Ellie Stewart, you'd probably round that to?
$7.
$7. $11.42. Leah? $11. And $6.89. Garrett?
$7.
$7. And that's what they're asking you to do. It's a little like when you do go to the grocery store, if you try to find out if you have enough money, you don't want to, sometimes I guess you take your cell phone and your calculator with you, I don't know. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, 15 and 7 is 22, right? Carry the 2, boom. You know, your estimate would be $32. Now, if I asked you this question, here's the thing, the book probably won't do this to you. Do you think $32 is more than you'll need or less than you'll need, based on the numbers? And how would you know? If you did go to a store and you estimated those numbers to be $32, do you think you'd have too much money with $32? Do you think you'd get some change back? Or do you think maybe the lady at the cash register is going to say you need just a little bit more? Ronnie?
A little more with taxes.
Well, let's forget the whole taxes. I agree, you would be. You always got to count taxes in there. What do you think, Carolina? Too much, too little? Too little? Who says you think this is not high enough? You think you need more money? Wait, is that what you said? You think you need more money, right? How many people think you need more money? Oh, just take a guess. You can't be right or wrong. This isn't going to be one of those. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the rest of you think that this is too much money. And the way you kind of get a guess for that is this one. Did you round this one a long ways? No, that was only 5 cents. You added 5 cents to this, right? But this one you actually took away 23 cents. This one here, what did you do? You took away 42 cents. So 23 and 42, you've taken away 65 cents. And yet with this one and this one was 5 cents, this is 11 cents. You rounded these up and those down. You are probably going to end up short. Because you rounded this down and that down a lot. This one you rounded up and that one you rounded up, but you only rounded them up a little. Just so you know, when you get there, you think, well, I can tell you're mesmerized by that. So here, we'll move on. One more problem, just to make sure that we have accomplished the feat at hand. Estimate the perimeter of this triangle. I'm sorry, of this rectangle. I suppose I should give you the rectangle, huh? Let's say our rectangle is 31 millimeters by 78 millimeters. If you were estimating that, what would you change those dimensions to? That would be what we call some compatible, close, easy to work with numbers. 31, I would probably make what? Sam? Yeah, that's a tough one. And 78, Brady?
80 millimeters.
Probably 80. So when you find the perimeter, which is the distance all the way around, you'd have to take 2 80s and add them together, and 2 30s and add them together. 16, 19, what is that? 222 millimeters. Did I say 222? Sometimes the mouth does not speak what the brain thinketh. That's just it. Joan.
Sometimes for certain estimating problems, like if you have a certain amount of numbers, would it be easier to multiply them by how many of them?
Yeah, if you had 4 80s there, or maybe were you thinking this, I got 2 80s, so I just made it 160 and 2 30s and made it 60 and added those. Yeah, you can use that as your shortcut. Wonderful, fifth grade. I have then for you your test note